Pardon? Something else. Really?
Yeah, Sharon, your mum is on a sleep on a plate. It's like a bed.
Did it hurt with your whole when you're going to put them on next time, we'll put some glasses on first. I know I'd rather not know about your face.
Wasn't ready, no, it's not.
I'll have a then, yeah. I've got more packets in every bag I have, but we'll have one to fit. That one's mine, please. Well, that was good. You know, we've got to put on the spot on time. Thank you very much.
Big sheets for like. Have you got cushion and blanket?
Not bad.
In preparation for departure, please fasten your seatbelt, switch off all electronic equipment, including mobile phones. This applies to phones for the in-flight mode facility, wireless technology, and phones for the integrated music and games, as they may affect the aircraft system. Personal headphones should not be used during takeoff or landing. We'd now like to welcome you aboard thomsonfly, and our flight time to Fuerteventura will be approximately 3 hours and 57 minutes. thomsonfly is a no-smoking airline, and may remind you that it is an offence to smoke anywhere on board the aircraft. So we ask you now to watch and listen carefully as we tell you about the safety features of this aircraft. This Boeing 737-300 series has 6 emergency exits. These are clearly marked around the cabin. Your nearest exit, which may be behind you, is now being pointed out to you by the cabin crew. If you're sitting next to an exit over the wings, please read the opening instructions on the back of the seat in front of you. If we ask you to leave the aircraft urgently, low-level lighting will guide you to the exit. If oxygen is needed, masks like these will automatically drop from the panel above your head. Pull the mask firmly downwards as you start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, put the band over your head and breathe normally. Make sure your own mask is fitted correctly before helping children or other passengers. Your seatbelt must be securely fastened for takeoff. The seatbelt fastens and adjusts like this and unfastens like this. Your life jacket is kept in the pocket under your seat. If it's needed, take it out of this container, put it over your head, wrap the tapes around your waist to bring them to the side, and tie them securely in a double bow on the left-hand side. To inflate the life jacket, pull the red toggle sharply downwards. Do this just before you leave the aircraft and not before, as find it difficult for you to get out. If the life jacket is not inflated and need more air, blow into this tube. Every jacket has its own light and a whistle to help attract attention. We'll give out life jackets for small children and flotation aids for babies if they are required. You'll find the thomsonfly safety information card. The seat pocket in front of you. This gives full information on all the safety features of the aircraft. So we ask you to read this carefully before takeoff. Remember to take up the brace position in your seat if there is an emergency. Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt should now be fastened securely for takeoff, ensuring the buckle is visible. Before we make a final cabin check, please fold away your table. Place the seat back upright with the armrest down. And just to let you know, ladies and gentlemen, we are one crew member down today, so please do bear with us. We'll endeavour to serve every passenger as quickly and efficiently as possible. So just one crew member down, just to let you know.